Hi, if you're getting the 0x0003 error on the Nvidia Geforce Experience app, a few steps that you can take to try to mitigate that is, of course, restarting the application itself, and then updating your Nvidia graphics drivers. Then you have an option to reinstall Nvidia Geforce Experience completely. And the last option is trying to disable your antivirus and firewall, because sometimes firewall can block certain parts of any program. So here in virus and threat protection, we can manage the settings and we can turn off real-time protection and all of these types of protections, as well as firewall. In the firewall, if you want to, you can allow an app through the firewall, which will directly allow Nvidia Geforce to go through the firewall. So you just need to browse and find wherever you saved your Nvidia Geforce install files and just click on add and add it to the list of allowed apps that can go through the firewall. If all else fails, you are going to need to perform a clean boot on your PC because some of your files have been corrupted. Good luck.